Hello student, this is chapter 1 Nutrition in Plant. Carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamins and minerals are the component of food. These component of food are called the nutrients and are very necessary for our body. Nutrition is a mode of taking food by an organism and its utilization by the body. The mode of nutrition in which the organism make food themselves from the simplest substance is called the autotrophic. Auto means the self, trophic matlab nourishment, nutrition. Therefore plants are called autotrophic because they made their own food by their own. Animals and most other organisms takes in food prepared by the plants. They are called the heterotrophs. Hetero means which are depend on other organisms for their food. Plants' leaves have tiny pores. These pores are surrounded by the guard cell. Such pores are called the stomata, which are found on the leaves. The leaves have a green pigment called chlorophyll. It helps to leaves to capture the energy of the sunlight. The synthesis of food occurs in the presence of sunlight. It is called photosynthesis. Photo means light, synthesize means to prepare the food by the help of sunlight, water and chlorophyll. Thus, sun is the ultimate source of energy for all the living organisms. During photosynthesis, chlorophyll containing cells of the leaves in the presence of sunlight use carbon dioxide and the water to synthesize carbohydrates. This process can be represented by an equation. Carbon dioxide plus water with the help of sunlight and chlorophyll leaves change into the carbohydrate and oxygen. During this process, oxygen is released. Starch is also a type of a carbohydrate formed during the photosynthesis. Slimy. Green patches in the ponds or stagnant water bodies, there are generally formed by the growth of organisms called algae. There are some plants which do not have chlorophyll. They cannot synthesize food. They use heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Cascataya amarbel is called the parasite. The plant on which the climbs it is called the host. There are some plants which trapped insects to the nutrients to get the nutrients. Insect eating plants are called insectivorous plants. Pitcher plant and the Venus flytrap are the example of the insectivorous plant. The mode of nutrition in which the organisms take in nutrients from decaying material is called the saprotrophic nutrition. Such organisms with a saprotrophic mode of nutrition and called the saprotrophs. Fungi is an example grow on the pickles, bread and leather and cloths. Some organisms live together and share both shelter and nutrients. Their relationship is called the symbiosis. The plants provide nutrients to the fungus and in the return the fungus provide water and certain nutrients. Fertilizers and manures contain nutrients such as nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus, etc. Hence, addition of fertilizers and manures enriches the soil. The bacterium called the rhizobium can be the take atmospheric nitrogen and convert it into the usable form. Rhizobium lives in the roots of gram, peas, moong, beans and other leguminous plants and provide them the nitrogen. Only few plants are parasitic or saprophytic. They derive nutrition from the other organism. All animals are categorized as heterotrophs. You may download the notes and the question answers of the chapters from the description link.